I fear not the man who practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who had practiced one kick 10,000 times. Hi, I'm HC, and watching this video until the end will help you understand yourself deeper than you understand it now. Stay tuned. We all have dreams and ambitions, or at the very least, aspire to be more of who we want to be. However, for those aspirations to be achieved and sustained, it is usually the case that a significant amount of time is required. Knowing how to be patient with your progress will help you accept that every period in life can be instrumental on the journey towards the actualization of your truth. Dissimilarly, a lack of patience tends to create feelings of anxiety, confusion, and may even inspire self loathing because of the incomplete perception of powerlessness. This is why knowing how to be patient with your progress is such an important factor on the journey of you becoming your best you. So, without further ado, here are the steps on how to be patient with progress. Step 1. Trust the process. To trust the process means to acknowledge that not because you have found a way towards your success does it mean that all of your problems will be solved and everything will just work out. It is to accept that groundwork and time is necessary to get you to your destination. Think of it as being a train conductor. Not because you know the route to follow and that your train is full of fuel, doesn't mean that your route will be smooth and easy. There may be bumps on the road and other unforeseen events that can interrupt your journey. Trusting the process is to not give up in that face of adversity and to continue on because it is the confidence that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. To trust the process also means to accept that your timing will not be the same as everyone else's, and the understanding that if you are working towards your goal, you will discover what needs to be done in due time. Therefore, comparing yourself to others is a seed that bears no fruit. Always remember, as it is often repeated, Rome was not built in a day. All great things take time to become. Things that are easily earned are usually easily lost or taken away. Trust the process and continue to be true to you. Step 2. Be mindful. Always remember, awareness is key. To be mindful in this context is to accept the importance of where you currently are in life, despite your yearning to cross the finish line and accomplish your goals. Being mindful also means to be cognizant of the areas that you lack so that you can appreciate the level that you are in life currently and work on what is needed to continue to strive towards the progress that you seek. Always remember, you cannot fix something that you don't know is broken. Mindfulness will help to open your mind and broaden the perception of your current life situation. When you become aware of a situation, the situation is discovered, and once it is discovered, it can be explored and thus conquered. If you are not mindful of the issues that you face and your shortcomings, you are likely to live in a perpetual cycle of doing the same unfruitful actions and bearing the same unfruitful results. Be mindful and progress with inner peace. Step 3. Be humble. Why do you feel like you should have everything that you desire right now? Why do you feel like you should already have the progress that you see? You have never been where you are going. You do not know if you are well equipped to exist in that reality. Why are you so eager to believe that you are ready? To be humble in this context is to appreciate that you do not know everything and that things are not always what they seem. Therefore, it is to understand that there is always something to learn and that very knowledge may be the equipment needed to continue to progress on your journey. Always remember, no matter how much you believe that you know, life is always teaching, and thus, there is always something new to be appreciated at every step of the journey. Always remember, you bring you in every situation that you face. Maybe you are not where you want to be because you're simply not ready to accept the gravity of the truth on its way. You will get to where you are destined to be. Open your heart, ready your mind, always practice humility. Step 4. Believe in yourself. To believe in yourself is to have the confidence and conviction that you are as capable as anyone else. Always remember, your perception is instrumental in the shaping of your reality. Therefore, it is important to thoroughly believe in your ability to create, manifest, and to become who you aspire to be, regardless of the time or effort it may take. It is important to trust that what is for you is meant for you, and thus it cannot pass you. To believe in yourself is to be the light that you are searching for. It is to tough it out during the hardest of times, even without being sure of how things will work out. Believing in yourself is important when being patient with your progress, because it is the assurance that you will achieve what you set out to achieve, and you are the only one that can stop you. Be the change that you want to see, and that change will surely become your lived reality. Step 5. Be consistent. Always remember, it's not about how fast you make it to your destination. You are not in a race or a competition with anyone. To be consistent in this context is to appreciate the power of habit and repetition. Although things may not seem to make sense now, over time you will look back and see that all those one steps forward that you took will end up carrying you to your destination, no matter how far it once appeared to be and how much time you once believed that it would or should have taken. As said by martial art legend Bruce Lee, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who had practiced one kick 10,000 times. This means that with consistency, you're able to hone and master a skill, while on the other hand, being scatterbrained and trying everything that you feel will bring you to quick success is the very process that will have you stuck in the lack of said success. Be consistent. You will get to where you are going. Step 6. Be thankful. Being thankful will help you to be patient with your progress because appreciation conceptualizes the very first blessing that you have every single day, which is life. To be thankful in this context is to remember that you once dreamed to have some of the very things that you have today. We often fail to realize that we have much more to be appreciative of than we understand. To be thankful is to accept that, although there may be hindrances on your journey, it does not make your dreams less possible. Oftentimes, our focus on the small things that we don't have take away from the amazing things that are right in front of us. This is similar to focusing on a leak in the bathroom when there is a fire in the kitchen. Be thankful, and you will continue to be blessed on your journey to being true to you. So, that's it, Howell family. Those are the 6 steps on how to be patient with your progress and to start moving forward today. Thank you for watching this video until the end. You are appreciated. Post a comment below and let people know how being patient with your progress has helped you on your journey. Like and share this video, and consider subscribing to this channel if you haven't already. I'll see you here next time on Howell Consultations, the how-to being true to you.